I need to increase the height of this window well about 7 inches because I have installed a new paver patio and the elevation changed from the existing to the new. I have dug out around this well about 10 inches deep and 10 inches back. The new paver patio is going to come up to this window. Should I wrap a brick wall around the well? Or any other suggestions?
Welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will do my best to help you with your issue. If my initial response doesn't answer your question, then let me know and we can continue our conversation. Please be patient, it can take a few minutes for me to respond. You can build the new well out of brick or just add another prefab metal one on top of what you have now.
If I did a new one out of brick, I do need to remove the old metal one, can't build around it. The basement is unfinished and not worried about the look from the inside out.
No need to remove the old metal one.
If I redo it, how far down do I need to start to the base level? Does it need to be below the window? How much aggregated backfill do I need for the brick that is below grade?
I'd dig down about a foot, add 6 inches of crushed stone, then start your brick on top of that. This assumes you leave the metal in place. If you take it out, then still 6 inches of stone below where you start the brick.
Would you remove the metal and start from scratch to make it look better? I could make it square to make the paver installation easier. What would you do?
I'd leave the metal in place given your circumstances.
However, maybe finish the next couple of years, but I guess I go back and redo these. Basement may be finished.
If you were to finish the basement, then I'd go all brick and remove the metal.
Dig down 6, add crushed stone. Start a brick wall around the back of the metal window well?
Yes.
Type and mortar?
Actually, dig down at least 9 inches so the first course of brick is buried. Use prepackaged mortar mix, Sacrete or Quikrete.
Okay. Will do. But the bricks are only about 2.5 think, wouldn't 6 be plenty?
6 inches stone plus 3 brick equals 9 inches, or 8.5, but that's splitting hairs.
Okay. Thanks, Rick.
You're welcome.
That's a pretty good radius around the window. Do I cut the bricks and make them shorter as I go around, miter them to fit?
Yes. I'd appreciate a favorable rating.
Is it easier to cut the bricks in half and install them around the radius?
Yes.
I laid a couple layers long ways around the window well. This will not be seen because it will be buried. The layer before the exposed row, should I cut this one in half? Is this okay what I did?
Yes, cut that layer's bricks. It's okay as long as the layers above it can sit mostly on the lower layers.
Okay, this might be a very small overhang. After watching some videos this morning, I guess I should have started from the bottom with half bricks.
Not a big deal.
Okay, thanks. I have been using Sacrete mortar mix in a mixing machine, and seems like most of the time I mix a bag with the recommended water, it is way too dry and balls up. Seems like I have to add quite a bit more water. I do not know what I am doing wrong. Any suggestions?
Just mix it to a workable consistency regardless of what the bag says.
Okay, thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.